Hi Harry, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Uh, how are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What is Harry?
You understand? Test giving Mr. Chen yesterday?
No, no about you.
Me too. How we do work together?
I do think it is equally. I also can understand it well.
Um,
How?
how we do it your house?
They good idea.
Because your teacher is understand.
Yes, my sister really understand the text.
When do we do it?
They they afternoon after school.
How about at night? Because I want to help my mother.
Okay, no problem. You are full Friday.
Of course,
Okay, what are you coming home when?
there is not any.
What about me?
That good ID. Well, I wait.
Just in your class.
Okay,
When we get home from school, well, as together after how about
you can eat anywhere.
uh, up to you.
I think I like fried chicken. What about you?
They find uh, they find where is night.
Next to Bang Mendidi.
My friend said in butter they post of office.
Oh yes, it's the chill sauce, the spice,
No,
spicy.
no, really. Uh, they and why?
Because I do not like spicy.
Oh, I see. Not. Oh, I see. Not they really.
But why you like spicy?
Uh, yes. I like spicy.
Oh yeah, don't eat spicy food too often.
What is to you?
Interesting dislikes unclies and sauce tom achieve to rice.
Yes. I will let it later.
Okay, BTW, where are you on holiday tomorrow?
Plus, with family go to Harrow.
Oh, that a great idea.
Yes. Where are you?
The plan is to with the family to Banten because it's my sister.
Uh, wow. They accepted.
Yes,
Uh, don't forget is souvenir of Banten later.
I will definitely buy it for you.
Thank you.
Just be together.
I'm going to class. Please, okay?
Just be together.
Okay.